Welcome to the boss's kitchen. Today we're making long bean masala. The ingredients for this are beans, onions, garlic, chili, turmeric powder, salt, mustard seeds, jeera, and oil. Okay, first cut up the long leaves and put it into a bowl. And then turn on the stove, put a cooker on that stove, and then put the beans into the cooker. Turmeric powder to the beans. Add in some salt. Add in some water. And then mix it all together. Make sure you mix it really well so it's nice and even. Close up the cooker and leave it to steam for a little while, and I'll be back when it's done steaming. While it's steaming, let's make a paste. Add some coconuts to the blender, some chilies, and some garlic. Make sure you don't blend it too well. Make sure it's not a liquid. Just blend it medium well. Oh, by the way, change the blender setting to pulse. Make sure the cooker lets out 2 whistles. After the 2 whistles, take the beans out of the cooker. The beans should look like this. They should be very easy to break. Empty out the cooker because we're going to be adding things to it soon. First, let's add some oil to warm up the cooker. Make sure you spread the oil around the cooker. And then let's add some mustard seeds. Add some jeera. Look like this so far. Now let's add in some curry leaves. It should look like this now. Let's mix those up now. Make sure to mix it really well so it's all warmed up and even. And then now let's add in some onions. You can add however many onions you want. It should look like that now. Mix the onions into the mix as well with the spices. It should look like that. Mix it really well. Okay, now that we've added in the onions and the spices, let's add the beans back in. Let's mix all of them together. Now let's add in that paste we made. Okay, now that we've added in the paste, let's mix them all together. Once you've mixed them all together, you're basically done. All that's left to do is to put it on the plate and enjoy. Thank you for watching The Boss's Kitchen. Be sure to subscribe.